Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download the repost app for Instagram on iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, and now we can go all the way to the App Store, click on the App Store application, search for repost for Instagram. And now we see repost for Instagram. We can choose the relevant application we require. As you can see on screen, I have downloaded a few, then deleted them. Press get. Done. Press open. How to repost. Open the Instagram application, find the photo or video you want to post, tap the three dots button in the top right hand corner and select copy the link, and then it should redirect you from one application to another when you are ready to repost. Go back to the iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.